Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. Today I'm going to show you some tricks and some strategy for the news trading. Okay, so if you do not have the enough knowledge about the news and about the news trading, don't worry, this strategy can help you. Okay, but you have to follow this strategy as we show. Okay, so if you cannot follow this strategy properly, you cannot make profit. Okay, so you have to follow all the step. Okay, so news trading means this strategy upon based on only for the big news. Okay, so big news means some FOMC meeting minute, FOMC, and another non from payroll, I mean NFP, and any interest decision or ECB bank conference. So these kind of news are the big news for the forex trading. So if you want, you can make 30 to 40 pips profit, because when this kind of news published, market movement happens more than 50 to 60 pips most of the time. So if you can follow this strategy, you can make profit from those news. Okay, so first I'm showing you those kind of news. Okay, so you can see that there are some news here, and all the three-headed news, because I filtered them, so you can see that this news see that ECB President Draghi speaks. Okay, so this is the very important news for the euro, and for this news, market can move 50 to 60 pips or more than 80 pips. Okay, so this news you can also use for this strategy, and it's also three-headed news. Okay, so this news is very important. Okay, so now I'm showing you another news. So you can see that there is a news is a non-farm payroll. It's called NFP. So you can see that it's also three-headed news, and it's a very important news for the dollar. Okay, so you can make profit from this news also. Okay, and I'm showing you more news. Yes, ECB press conference. Okay, it's also three-headed news, and it's for the euro, and this one is the is for Canadian dollar, is BOC interest rate decision. And this kind of news, when happens, you can get a huge movement in the market, and every month you will get this kind of news one or two times. Okay, is there you can see that it's a very important news. US President Donald Trump speaks. When you get this kind of news, a president giving a speech, there anything can be happened, and it can movement huge more than 100 pips. Okay, because when a president speaks about their currency, if he said the good thing about his country, this country currency will be go more up. So now I'm going to the chart, then you can see that. Okay, so you can see there there is a long candle, and it's more than 50 pips I think, and this kind of candle create for the market news. Okay, so when you get a new this kind of news, a big news in the market, yeah, you can trade. So this candle start from there, and it's almost goes 45 pips. Okay, so for that kind of news, you have to follow, you can follow this strategy, and it will help you to make a profit. Okay, but before using this strategy in the real account, you have to practice in the demo. Okay, so for this strategy you have to use pending order. Okay, so if you do not know what is pending order, you have to learn it first. Okay, and you can see there, and there is instant execution is for when you want to open an order instantly, and another one is for you can see the pending order, and when you click that, you will get some option, some buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Okay, so you have to choose this one for the pending order. Okay, so when you before starting the news 1 or 2 minutes ago, you have to set a pending order, one order, say for example, say for example, now the market at that position, and you have to open an order before 2 or 3 minutes before publishing in the news, and at that position you will open a pending buy order 10 pips above, and set a pending sell order 10 pips down. Okay, so when this kind of news will published, the market will go more pips, like 30 or 40 or 50 pips. Okay, so this anything can be happened in the market. This market can go up and can go more down, and you can, it doesn't matter, because you, if you open a pending order at that position, buy order, and that position if you open a sell order, so if market go up it will touch your pending buy order, and if it's go down it will touch your pending sell order. Okay, so you have to set a take profit and stop loss for this strategy, because sometime the market go up and then again it's return. Okay, so you can set a take profit 30 pips and stop loss for the 10 pips, so it's for the safety. Okay, and when market because this, when this kind of news published, and within 1 or 2 minutes market move too fast. Okay, so it will touch your pending order and it will touch your take profit. Okay, so this is the very easy strategy, but before using this must you have to practice minimum 15 days in the demo, then you can properly understand how can you use this strategy. Okay, and we are also using this strategy for the big news, and we are also making profit from this. Okay, so this is the very easy way to trade for the big news. Okay, so you have to wait for the big news, and you will get some pips and you can make profit from the big news. Okay, so this is very easy, and even you do not need to any knowledge about the trading. Okay, and I think you understand, and if you do not understand anything you can ask me by the comment box and by the WhatsApp or email, no problem, I will reply you. Okay, and we have also a forex course. It's 30-hour forex course, and if you want to learn forex properly step by step, you can follow our website. It's www.fxschool.info, and you will get all the information there, and this course will help you very much. Okay, so I think you understand this one, and you can use it. Okay, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up for this video, and please, if you like this, please share it with your friends. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for the notification, because when I upload any video you will get the notification if you click the bell icon. Okay, okay guys, this is for today. Bye, have a good